PuntaCana beachfront. This is the end of the Bahi, and this is the RIU.
Well, as you can see, I'm pretty quiet through this whole walkthrough of the RIU because I'm actually a little stunned. This is a 4.5, and the RIU Republica was a 5, but this place looks way better. This is the RIU Palace, and I love the way the chairs are spread out a little more. There's palm trees. I know this is established and it's been here for a while, but the RIU Republica is really crammed in there. Dense beach. This is a little more open, nicer, and the buildings and the grounds look sweet. Anyway, I'll just let this video run.
Well, it looks like they've done a really good job with the palm trees. There's no palapas or anything giving you shade but the palm trees, and they're doing a good job. And as you can see, it's quite a lot of bling bling.
Well, that's it for this video. I've done a whole bunch of beach walk videos during this morning walk that I did. It's all divided up into resorts. I might put them all together and have one long one. Anyway, if you liked it, give me a thumbs up. Thanks a lot. Trip on this.